Hello everyone, I am Srimanti and I'm currently working as an ML engineer. Welcome back to my channel. We are going to today see how Rollout AI actually works and how we are going to build it, how we can use it to build new websites and fantastic websites, and how you can customize it as well using AI to make it better. It's a no-code tool that you can use to build your personal website or any kind of other website that you want for your deployed apps in just a few seconds. You don't need to learn any front end, you don't need any React, you don't need any HTML, CSS, nothing. Just simple, go to Rollout AI and just do whatever I'm going to tell you. Let's see. Let's say you're going to want to, okay, so this is now, as you can see right here, this is now the Rollout AI site. So I have logged in just now. You can log in with your email. And now let's describe a website that we want to build. So there are many examples below actually, but let's do something different. Let's just design something like your personal website. And you can say whatever you want here. For example, add my achievements, my projects, my work experiences, my hobbies, and make it very, and let's write some prompts that will make it really stand out and make it really stand out. Let's see what AI does. Wow, as you can see right here, it's generating the website just as we wanted it. And yeah, like any kind of standard website, as you can see, we have the nav bar right here. We have this things that we have the front page. We have my about me section. This is crazy. This is amazing. Actually, this is my first time using it too. I wanted to find this out along with you. Yeah, it's and it's just 20%. This is crazy. This is amazing. It's like seeing magic happen, to be very honest. Yeah, professional experience is developing. You can just change these things and it's crazy. It's really very good. Now you have the technical skills that's getting generated right here. Amazing. You can add your technical skills. This is just 30%. I can't even believe. With tools like this, it's just everything is becoming so easy. Okay, maybe this thing we need to change. It's going through technical skills. Yeah. Yeah, my work project's coming out here. Third project. Add the link here, GitHub link. Yeah. You can add your own project. It even gives great ideas as well. See, e-commerce platform, AI chat application, fitness tracking app. You have a button to view all your projects as well. Amazing. This is really good. I actually also have been thinking about building a website for myself too. So this can be the way to go actually. Who knows? At the end of this, I'll also have a website for myself. Amazing, amazing. Just use it. Like really, just use it. It's free completely. Everybody can have a personal website now. Achievements and awards, amazing. You have certifications. You can add certifications. Wow, I did not even mention that, but still did it. It did it. Great. I really like this kind of AI. Amazing, amazing. Rating my technical skills as well. Wow. Wow, I'm in love with this app. Can't believe this. This is crazy good. It's really magic. It's just magic. Wow. Soft skills. Oh, wow. I did not even mention it. It knows soft skills are so important. Bro, I'm in love. This is amazing. My hobbies and interest, of course. Just exactly what we thought. And you can also just change it actually and just give some prompt to it and change it as much as you want. My hobbies, yes, and add also something, yeah. Well, these aren't my hobbies per se, but yeah, we can change it definitely. Wow, here you can add your recommendations too. I did not even say that it knew, it just knew. So cool. I must say, I'm just flabbergasted. Trusted by companies. Great. Get in touch, yeah, of course. Contact information, like advanced website made in just a few clicks. Phone number, contact information, email, obviously location. Follow me on Twitter and LinkedIn. I must say, these will be given here. The links and all. It's 80% done. Amazing, amazing. I mean, just don't wait, literally. Just go as we are doing it. Just go on the site and just start making. See, this also made. It's 90% done. Just generating the footer. Great, done. Yeah, my links, it's going to add my links. There you go. Quick links, resources, my blogs. Stay updated. Yeah, sure. Subscribe. Amazing. See? Wow. And just change it. Revise it using the prompt. Just use a prompt to change it. Change this. Everything you can change. Perfect. See? So yeah, I must say I've never been this impressed with any kind of AI app I've used. Okay, maybe wrong. Cursor is also amazing. I've used Cursor as well. It just I'll come to Cursor soon. Yeah. It just auto completes like at the speed of your thought, to be honest. I would recommend you just using it as well as trying it to use. It's amazing. There's no competitor for it. Same as Rollout. This AI just generates any website you want, and you can just change anything later on, and you have a website which is very good looking, ready to go. So I would encourage it. Go on Rollout and start using it, and tell me your experience with it. Drop in the comments below if you find any problems with it or not. Yeah, we'll see. Chalo, let's bye.